Hey Bean Beauties, welcome back. Are you ready for it? I got two premier handbags from Dooney and Bourke for over 75% off. Yes, you heard that. Two of them for over 75% off. So come on back and let's get into it. Yes, we have one and we have two deals. Both of these are Alto bags from Dooney and Bourke. Hey Bean Beauties, you're watching part 2 of my Alto collection unboxing. I got these both at fantastic prices, and if you haven't seen the first video, it will be linked in the description box for your convenience, and it is a pretty one. You'll probably get a sneak peek in this video. Thank you. And I got them both at fantastic deal. I don't know if you have remember me telling y'all that I was kind of slow in my roll as far as purchasing things from Dooney and Bourke and buying things from Dooney and Bourke, except for the Alto bag, and then on the as far as brand new bags, and then on the pre-loved market, Alto bags and the Toscano line is what I've been kind of searching for. And it's been hard, let me tell you, it has been hard trying to stick to that. But these two babies came to me for a great price, and let me tell you, I am so excited to share them with you. Okay, back for the next one. This Alto box came courtesy of Jax from Jack's Bag Attack. I purchased it off of her. It's brand new in the box. I escaped I escaped her unboxing it on her channel, even though she knew I was buying it and I wanted it. She cannot resist. She cannot have a box sit there. She just cannot. But she was able to get this bag on a glitch sale. It's the small Camillia in red. She likes red. Red's my power color. So I was, yay. This one is number 12 out of 22. And yeah, no stickers. No stickers. So this bag, we both have been looking at. And let me show you the bag, and then I'll tell you how much she bought it for. If you know how much she bought it for, put it down in the comment box. Oh my goodness. Isn't she beautiful? There's the front. There's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. There's the bottom. This one, she does not have feet. There's the top. And then here is it looking inside. And then she does have the clochette as well. And so there are three sizes for this silhouette. There is the regular Alto, there's the small, and then there's the mini. And although normally you would think that the mini would be the one that's been on my list, the small is the one that's been on my list. I would have taken any size, any great sale. Like when I got that one in February, I was looking to see if the coupons worked on this one, but it didn't. I couldn't get this with that coupon. But this one, $99. Yes, Jackie said she saw it on a community post, but when she saw it, she was about half an hour after it had been posted, so she ran over there really quick, and then she let me know about it. By the time I got there, they were all sold out. She had her own glitch of herself, so she purchased this one. It looked like it went through on her end, but she never got a notification, and then so she went ahead and said all of it. It's still showing. I'm going to try to get one, so she got a small and the next one in a small, and she bought it, and then she offered it to me. She thought about me, so I was so grateful for that, and I told her, absolutely, I'll pay you for it. And she bought it on Klarna, so she said that she needed to pay off the Klarna fees, and I said, that's fine, I will do that. So still, all in for me, it was $112 for a $650 bag. And I got to unbox it myself. Let's look at it. It looks gorgeous. It's a gorgeous little bag. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I love the way this kind of wings out. Yeah, it's just really pretty. So she's like, once again, she's a structured bag. And I know because I've purchased other Alto bags and pre-loved and older, then they do end up breaking in eventually. But it'll be a while. Now, my concerns with this bag, well, when I was looking at it, was that this, and Judy has several bags that are like that, where they don't have like grommets here. It just goes straight through the leather. Do you see it right there? you know, on all the sides. For a $650 bag, I was always kind of like, you know, that had concerns like, will it stretch, will it pull, you know, once you put your stuff in it, that kind of thing. I was always a little concerned about that. So this is why if I picked it up, I knew it had to be on a good sale price. So let's see how much this one weighs. This is 1 pound, 13.5 ounces with the stuffing that comes in it, and I'm sure, and it has a crossbody in it. But it feels very light. Let's see. It has no outside pockets, but it has a zipper on the inside. Right here, see? It has a zipper, very nice zipper. And she comes stuffed, of course. Let's see what she has in here. Crossbody belt. Okay, so here is the one side, and here is the other side. And the beauty of this is that it goes, the zipper goes all the way to the bottom, so there's no chance of things sliding through. It does have a zip in here that's really slip in here that's just really good for your tissues. I doubt if my phone. Let's see if my phone will fit in it. Oh, okay. My phone does fit in it. Look at that. It's a modern twist. Yay! Can I get this closed? I can. Okay. Yay! That's a happy surprise. Yay! Look at that. Okay, perfect. Okay, so they made that pocket bigger, so that's a good deal. In the back here has a zipper, just the same as the Shana, and then it has also the information that you have regarding it coming from Italy and being handmade and all that fun stuff. Like that a lot. This tissue is a little bit different than the tissue that they have for the regular bags, and as well as the dust bag as well too. Let's do the crossbody. So this right here is going to be one of those that's a little hard to put in because it's on the inside of the bag. The rings in here are set down below the line up here is set down about half an inch, and then it's a thicker ring to clip on that. So when you have dexterity issues, it's a little bit harder to maneuver. I would probably add like another little hook just to make it a little bit easier for me. I'm gonna have to add an extension anyway, so I'll probably do that. Now these handles don't go, see, they don't go down as well or as easily as the other one, but they do go down. And let's see how it fits on me. Okay, so this is stuffed with the stuffing that it came in. So it does have a little bit wider profile. I'll usually just have the straps on for like walking long distance or if I get tired. Like right now I'm tired. Okay, so let's tell you the dimensions on this. I already gave you the weight earlier. The dimension is it's 12 inches high, 5.5 inches wide, and 11 inches in the length here. Made in Italy. This says it's scaled down version of our sophisticated shoulder bag, crafted in Italy with fine Italian leather. Its minimalist profile is the perfect complement to your best dressed occasions. So let's kind of compare the sizes to this one. It's a baby. This is a baby, and this is even a babier. And they have a smaller one of this one. I wonder if the smaller one of this one is probably this size. I might have to look into it. So here are my two bam super sale prices, super great prices that I got these to add these to my collection, and trying to stay with the curating my collection for 2025. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thank y'all for joining me. Love y'all. Bye-bye.